Our big homie sent us. You dig? Yeah, he sent them things. Them things right there. Shout out to Heather. She was live this morning. Y'all know to go replay her video in case you forgot. I know I was in there before went live myself. Shout out to that homie. Y'all know we definitely appreciate her for using the Buy Me a Coffee and being a YouTube content creator to begin with. Getting herself out there, putting in that work. Because it ain't going to do itself. Heck. I'll take that one out too. And this one. Get rid of them's. Dims to dims. Yeah, but them strawberries look good though. I mean, they coming in nice. Probably put them in a pot next year. Fill out this for this year, and then boom, keep strawberries around, right? Of course, I figured out how to grow these dragon fruits, so they're actually in a decent container to begin with. So I really ain't got to worry about changing them out. They're good to just let droop over and hang. You just have to accommodate for them hanging, right? Right? Come on now. Somebody agree with that. She said 1 week until Mother's Day. Shout out to Mother's Day. Y'all know to go check out Heather's crafting over on her channel. She's probably got some great, lovely designs to check out. Uh, she be putting in work over there too, so y'all already know it'll be something worth seeing. That's like me making y'all wait over an hour for me to come into the green room because I made y'all sit here and watch videos with your boy. But hell, I am an indoor garden consultant, so you know it is what it is. We gonna get where we going, but you know I gotta get you some education on a lot of things, so you don't just stuck in your garden watching plants. Cause you know you'll have plenty of time for that. Cause you'll do plenty of that. Hey, every morning when I wake up, I come in this piece and sit down. Hey, shouts out to the meditation zone, right? Yeah, come on in here in the morning and meditate. See, that's the good thing about hydro. Like right now, these are having problems because their water zone. So once I fix their water zone, they're gonna look better and grow because they're all the same age that are over on this side, anyways. But yeah, the homie was like, "Yeah, you having that problem because those are the ones that want more air, and you got them just going cracky. So the ones that don't like cracky gonna give you problems every time." Which I can look and see which ones those are. Double grape, that other double grape's doing just fine. Huh, SH, SH, both of those don't like it. Mm, okay, so yeah. Anyways, it's like simple notes whenever you're actually in here doing the work, right? But shouts out to smoking with the ladies, cause hell, they like, oh, he came in and smoked a blunt with us today. He gonna have to hit a dab with us before he go. It might not be in the live though, but I'll come back and hit a dab with him when I get all this work done in here, cause I gotta clean out them pots anyways. Yep, that's gonna be a pot cleaning video coming up. Shout out to cleaning up pots. We'll get it in. I got 3 empties anyways. So I can change those out and then just put them in some water. Yeah, those are dead too. So yeah, that happened. Boom, keep it moving. Y'all know how we gonna do. It's Team DWC with your boy TWP. I'll see y'all Wednesday at 6. Unless y'all catch me in some shorts, but you know we got highlights coming out every day. So, you know, tune in for the highlights.